two next level websites that feel from the future. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you about these two best websites. So the first website was runwayml.com. So basically it can generate AI videos and image. Also you guys can do image editing as well, or video editing. So for that you guys will simply go to Google Chrome or any browser. Here you guys will simply search for Runway ML. Once you search for that, here you guys will see on first www.runwayml.com. So simply click on that, and after that you guys can sign up and start using it. Now the second website was Pika Art. So basically here you guys can generate videos from text prompts. So for that you will simply go to Google Chrome. Here you guys will simply search for Pika Art. Once you search for that, here you guys will see on second Art. So simply click on that first website and sign up, and after that you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.